Every 3.7 seconds, a property crime occurs in one of the 128 million homes across the US, but only 17% of those homes are rigged with a security system, leaving the majority at risk of burglary and ultimately losing their valuable possessions. But why is that? Well, purchasing a security system can seem like quite a handful. With the number of gadgets included in armoring your home increasing every year, the process of acquiring a decent security system can be convoluted, not to mention expensive in both installation costs and subscription fees. Compared to the 17% of US homes that have a security system installed, almost 25% of homeowners own a smart speaker device, such as an Amazon Echo or a Google Home, and that percentage is predicted to climb to 40% in the next year alone. So, why not use your trusted home assistant as your trusted home security? Introducing IKEA's new security feature, Hemvärn. One of our visions is to offer a better everyday life. That's why it made perfect sense to create a security system that everyone can wrap their head around. Hemvärn is a free app for your smartphone that allows your smart speaker to guard your home while you're not around. Here's how it works. Using AI, machine learning, and sound recognition software from Audio Analytics, Hemvärn and your smart speaker can recognize sounds and activities such as a shattered window or even a fire alarm. Audible anomalies like these will trigger a notification to your smart device, thereby allowing you to stream sound recorded from your smart speaker to your device, letting you hear what's happening in your home in real time. You can now decide if you'd like your smart speaker to sound an alarm and/or alert the authorities all by the push of a button. By communicating with the rest of your smart speaker's features, Hemvärn will be able to recognize your family's voices, access your family's shared calendar, and know if you own a noisy pet. Also, it can adjust to your home's needs. This means that you can schedule the days and times you know your home will be empty, allowing Hemvärn to activate its security measures then. Or, you can simply use a voice command when you're leaving for work, such as, "Alexa, you're on your own now." Hemvärn by IKEA, offering a secured everyday life.